Is that cool? Yeah. I know. Do you like it?
No, they're sinking.
The ship thing?
They're sinking. I do hard.
Which one, Emily?
That one.
That's one, Emily. Which one, Thomas? That's one, Thomas. Okay.
Good. And crab.
Do you like Emily more or do you like Thomas more? Which one you like the most? Huh? Which one? Uh-oh, honey. Can you put them back on the track, please? Thank you. Oh, thank you very much. It's fun, huh? Don't take off the track. If you do that, where are they gonna go? They can run off. Is that cool? Do you like it? Huh? We're gonna build another one, huh? Make it longer. We have some more from the yellow part. Gonna make it long track. Alright, I'll get it. Go ahead, play with the Emily and Thomas. Is that funny? It was so funny, yeah. No, don't do that, please. Be nice with the toys. Sit down, please. And then Mama get another tractor, okay? We're trying to add them together. Yes? Let's say thank you, please.
Yeah.
Thank you, Auntie Angela.
Thomas.
Thank you, Thomas. Alright, can say bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.